We are excited to introduce the new MobiFree travel scooter, designed and manufactured by Solax. It effortlessly unfolds in one simple movement. The tiller can easily be adjusted for optimum comfort. The newly designed ergonomic soft grip horn-shaped handlebars allow for a comfortable and secure grip. The dash features a keyed ignition, light-up battery bar, speed control dial, and horn. The acceleration levers can be operated either right or left-handedly, and as soon as you let go, the MobiFree will stop. The redesigned seat features comfortable cushions and a supportive backrest. Both cushions are attached via Velcro strips, allowing for easy removal or replacement by memory foam cushions. The extra high armrests flip all the way back for easy entry and exit. The quick release button at the back allows you to remove these for travel or to further reduce the weight. The plane-safe lithium battery is located in the deck of the scooter and can be easily removed by pulling at the canvas loop. Ensure you line up the connectors before placing it back into your scooter. The MobiFree is fitted with electromagnetic brakes. This means that your scooter is always in gear. The red switch at the back puts the scooter into freewheel mode, allowing you to push the scooter. You won't be able to drive the scooter while in freewheel mode. The charging socket is located at the back of the scooter. Simply slide the cover away, plug in your charger, ensuring the 3 pins line up, and wait for the battery indicator to switch to charged. The front footplates feature a non-slip coating and are slightly angled for maximum footroom, comfort, and a secure foot position while traveling. While predominantly designed for travel, the MobiFree can handle small bumps and is suited at use outdoors. Folding your scooter couldn't be easier. Simply lift the handle located next to the battery. Weighing only 20.5 kilograms without the battery, the MobiFree is the perfect scooter for travel and everyday errands alike.